In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept and schedule sessions in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional booking setup that makes it easy for clients to pick a time and for you to stay organized. First, sign into your GoHighLevel account and open the Calendars area. This is where all scheduling lives, so it's the best place to start when you want to accept and manage sessions. Next, head to Settings. You'll find this at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. Settings is where you control the structure behind your calendar, so going through it once sets you up for smooth scheduling later. Inside Settings, click Calendars. This opens your calendar configuration dashboard and shows any existing calendars you've already built. Now click New Calendar. Think of this as creating a new booking flow. You can have multiple calendars for different services, teams, or appointment types, which helps keep things tidy. You'll be prompted to choose a calendar type. Each type is designed for a different scheduling need. For example, some are ideal for solo bookings, while others help distribute bookings across multiple team members. Pick the one that matches how you want sessions to be booked. For this walkthrough, select Personal Booking. This option is perfect when one person owns the appointment, like a consultant, coach, or salesperson handling their own schedule. Give your calendar a clear, descriptive name. Use wording that clients will instantly recognize, like discovery call, coaching session, or onboarding meeting. A good name reduces confusion and increases bookings. Select the team member who will host the sessions. This ties the calendar to their availability and ensures appointments show up on the right person's schedule. If multiple people handle bookings, create separate calendars or use a team-type calendar when appropriate. Set your custom URL. This becomes the shareable link clients click to book. Keep it short, readable, and aligned with the appointment purpose. Avoid special characters and spaces so it's easy to send and remember. Choose the meeting duration. This determines the time blocks clients can select. Pick a length that supports your workflow. Shorter for quick calls, longer for deep dive sessions. Keep in mind how this affects your daily capacity and leave room for transitions if needed. Finally, click Confirm. Your calendar is created and ready to use. From here, you can manage availability, refine details later if needed, and start accepting and scheduling sessions confidently through your new GoHighLevel calendar.